Respected viewers and my beloved listeners, you are listening to a postgraduate certificate course that is MNR 001. We were in Block 1, Unit 3. We were listening section 3.3 last day. So today we will go to section 3.4. Title: Performance of Agriculture. For assessing the performance of Indian agricultural sector, it is necessary to discuss the production and productivity trend in agriculture. Agricultural production has two components: food grains and non-food grains. The former contributes approximately about two-thirds of total agricultural production. Section 3.4.1: Area, production and productivity of food grains. The trend in area, production and productivity of food grains for the last 5 decades are given below. Table 3.1: Area, production and yield of food grains in India. The table consists of 5 columns and 8 rows. Column 1: Year. Column 2: Area bracket million hectares. Column 3: Production bracket million tons. Column 4: Yield bracket kg or HA. Last column: percent area under irrigation. So let us go to row 1. 1950 to 51, area 97.32, production 50.82, yield 522, percent area under irrigation 18.1. Second row, 1960 to 61, area 115.58, production 82.02, yield 710, percent area under irrigation 19.1. Next row, 1970 to 71, area 124.32, production 108.32, yield 872, percent area under irrigation 24.1. Next row, 1980 to 81, area 126.67, production 129.59, yield 1023, percent area under irrigation 29.6. Next row, 1990 to 91, area 127.84, production 176.39, yield 1380, percent area under irrigation 35.1. Next row, 2000 to 2001, area 121.05, production 196.81, yield 1626, percent area under irrigation 43.4. The last row, 2005 to 6, area 121.60, production 208.60, yield 1715, percent area under irrigation NA. So here there is a footnote given at the bottom of the table which says source agricultural statistics at a glance 2006 to 7 DES Government of India. So the table ends here. Now let us go to the main portions. The food grain production in India was increased from 50.82 million tons in 1950-51 to 208.60 million tons in 2005-6. The worst drought of 2002 to 3 pulled down the country's food grains production to 174.19 million tons in the lowest in the last 10 years. However, Indian agriculture has made a smart recovery with production of 208.60 million tons in 2005 to 6. That is table 3.1. Next paragraph. Since 1950 to 51, the productivity has increased around 4 times, whereas the area has increased 1.5 times. In absolute terms, the area and production of food grains has increased by 24.28 million hectare and 157.78 million tons in 2005-6. The productivity of total food grain is increased by 3.27 times. The irrigated area, which was only 18.1%, rose to about 44% in 2003 to 4. In totality, it can be said that technological changes in agricultural production, coupled with increased availability of irrigation water, has brought about perceptible changes in Indian agricultural production scenario. Next section, 3.4.2, area, production and productivity of major cereal crops. Decadal change in area, production, productivity and percent area irrigated of important cereals are given in the table 3.2. So, respected viewers, let us now go to table 3.2, which has the heading area, production, productivity and percent irrigated area of major crops. The table has mainly 8 columns and 5 rows, and there are subparts also. So let us go to the first column. First column reads crop. Second column is a space. Third column reads 1950 to 51. Next column 1960 to 61. Next 1970 to 71. Next column 1980 to 81. Next 1990 to 91. Next 2000 to 2001. Next and the last 2005 to 6. The rows are first one, that is, if you under crop, that is, first is rice, then is wheat, then is jawar, then is bajra, and then maize. So now we will separate each part in, like for example, rice will be having 4 subparts, and again wheat will be having 4 subparts. Similarly, jawar, bajra and maize will have 4 subparts. 4 rows in each case. So, the first one, rice, A, 1950 to 51, 30.81, 1960 to 61, 34.13, 1970 to 71, 37.59, 1980 to 81, 40.15, 1990 to 91, 42.69, 2000 to 2001, 44.71, 2005 to 2006, 43.66. Next row, which reads P. Under column 1, that is 1950 to 51, it is 20.58, 1960 to 61, 34.58, 1970 to 71, 42.22, 1980 to 81, 53.63, 1990 to 91, 74.29, 2000 to 2001, 84.98, 2005 to 6, 91.79. Next row, Y. Under 1950 to 51, 668. Under 1960 to 61, 1013. Under 1970 to 71, 1123. Under 1980 to 81, 1336. Under 1990 to 91, 1740. Under 2000 to 2001, 1901. Under 2005 to 6, 2102. Next subpart, that is last or the fourth part of rice, reads IA. Under 1950 to 51, 31.7. 1960 to 61, 36.8. 1970 to 71, 38.4. 1980 to 81, 40.7. 1990 to 91, 45.5. 2000 to 2001, 53.6. 2005 to 2006 NA. So with this we come to the end of rice part. Now we will go to wheat portion. This too has four parts or 4 rows. So let us go to them. A, 1950 to 51, 9.75. 1960 to 61, 12.92. 1970 to 71, 18.24. 1980 to 81, 22.28. 1990 to 91, 24.17. 2000 to 2001, 25.7. 2005 to 2006, 26.48. Next row, P, 1950 to 51, 6.46. 1960 to 61, 11.00. 1970 to 71, 23.83. 1980 to 81, 36.31. 1990 to 91, 55.14. 2000 to 2001, 69.68. 2005 to 2006, 69.35. Next row, Y, 1950 to 51, 663. 1960 to 61, 851. 1970 to 71, 1307. 1980 to 81, 1630. 1990 to 91, 2281. 2000 to 2001, 2708. 2005 to 2006, 2619. Next, we have the last row of under wheat. The last row is IA. Under 1950 to 51, 34.0. Under 1960 to 61, 32.7. Under 1970 to 71, 54.3. 1980 to 81, 76.5. 1990 to 91, 81.1. 2000 to 2001, 88.1. 2005 to 2006 NA. Next we have Jawar. Also again 4 rows. A, first row A, 1950 to 51, 15.57. 1960 to 61, 18.41. 1970 to 71, 17.37. 1980 to 81, 15.81. 1990 to 1991, 14.36. 2000 to 2001, 9.86. Last 2005 to 2006, 8.67. Next row P, 1950 to 51, 5.50. 1960 to 61, 9.81. 1970 to 71, 8.11. 1980 to 81, 10.43. 1990 to 91, 11.68. 2000 to 2001, 7.53. 2005 to 2006, 7.24. Next row Y, 1950 to 51, 353. 1960 to 61, 533. 1970 to 1971 466, 1980 to 81 660, 1990 to 1991 814, 2000 to 2001 764, 2005 to 2006 880. Last, IA 1950 to 51 3, 1960 to 61 3.6, 1970 to 71 3.6, 1980 to 81 4.7, 1990 to 91 5.6, 2000 to 2001 7.9, 2005 to 6 NA. Next we have Bajra. This again has 4 rows. So first row A 1950 to 51 9.02, 1960 to 61 11.47, 1970 to 71 12.91, 1980 to 81 11.66, 1990 to 91 10.48, 2000 to 2001 9.83, 2005 to 6 9.58. Next row P 1950 to 51 2.60, 1960 to 61 3.28, 1970 to 71 8.03, 1980 to 81 5.34, 1990 to 91 6.89, 2000 to 2001 6.76, 2005 to 2006 7.68. Next row Y 1950 to 51 2.88, 1960 to 61 286, 1970 to 71 622, 1980 to 81 458, 1990 to 91 658, 2000 to 2001 688, 2005 to 2006 802. Last row of Bajra IA 1950 to 51 3.4, 1960 to 61 2.8, 1970 to 71 4.0, 1980 to 81 5.5, 1990 to 91 5.1, 2000 to 2001 8.0, 2005 to 2006 NA. The last part, that is maize, has 4 rows again. First row A 1950 to 51 3.16, 1960 to 61 4.41, 1970 to 71 5.85, 5.85, 1980 to 81 6.01, 1990 to 91 5.90, 2000 to 2001 6.61, 2005 to 6 7.59. Next row P 1950 to 51 1.73, 1960 to 61 4.08, 1970 to 71 7.49, 1980 to 81 6.96, 1990 to 91 8.96, 2000 to 2001 12.04, 2005 to 6 14.71. Next row under maize Y 1950 to 51 547, 1960 to 61 926, 1970 to 71 1279, 1980 to 81 1159, 1990 to 91 1518, 2000 to 2001 1822, 2005 to 6 1938. Last row under maize IA 1950 to 51 11.4, 1960 to 61 12.6, 1970 to 71 15.9, 1980 to 81 20.1, 1990 to 91 19.7, 2000 to 1 22.4, and last column and last row, that is the last box, that is 2005 to 6 in A. So here the table 3.2 ends, and there are some footnotes. Note A equals to area bracket million hect P equals to production million tons, Y equals to productivity kg slash HA, IA is equal to percent area irrigated. Next, source in the footnote. Agricultural statistics at a glance 2006-7 DES Government of India. So we have come to the end of this table. Let us go to the main text again. The overall production of rice stood at 91.79 million tons in year 2005 to 6. It was 71.21 million tons more than the output in 1950 to 51, bracket 20.58 million tons. Wheat production also made a smart recovery from early years. Being major rabi crop, wheat production increased to 69.35 million tons in 2005 to 6 over 6.46 million tons in 1950 to 51. The total jowar production was 7.24 million tons in 2005 to 6 against 5.50 million tons in 1950 to 51. The production of bajra increased from 2.60 million tons in 1950 to 51 to 7.68 million tons in 2005 to 2006. Bracket table 3.2. Bracket close. Similarly, Kharif maize did well with the record production of 14.71 million tons in 2005 to 6 and surpassed the target of 11.70 million tons. Ragi crop grown mainly in Kharif season accounted for the production of 2.01 million tons, which was less than the target of 2.46 million tons in 2003 to 4. Jowar production was 7.24 million tons, which was less than the expectation. After a good Kharif harvest, the country also had satisfactory performance of rabi crops. The area under almost all rabi crops had increased. So with this, we come to the end of section 3.4.1. 3.4.2. Now we have check your progress 1. 2 notes are given. Use the spaces given below for your answers. B. Check your answer with those given at the end of the unit. Question 1. Discuss the changes in area, production and productivity of wheat. Question number 2. List out the possible factors playing important role in agricultural development. I shall read out the answers after finishing the chapter at the end. So stay tuned for new updates.